Humans yawn for various reasons, and while the exact purpose of yawning remains a subject of debate among scientists, several theories attempt to explain this seemingly involuntary behavior. One common theory suggests that yawning helps regulate the temperature of the brain by increasing blood flow and drawing in cooler air, which may help to cool down an overheated brain. Another theory proposes that yawning serves as a means of communication, signaling fatigue or boredom to others in social settings. Additionally, some researchers believe that yawning plays a role in promoting alertness and arousal, as it often occurs when transitioning between different states of consciousness. Despite these theories, the true purpose of yawning remains elusive, and further research is needed to fully understand this peculiar human behavior.